Welcome to a clear guide on the interplay between process, activity, and task, vital concepts in business analysis. This tutorial will enhance your grasp of these elements, empowering you as a business analyst to adeptly gather and structure stakeholder requirements.
An organization has a finite number of processes. Let us visualize the relationship between process, activity, and task. A group of tasks make an activity. A group of activities make a process. Tasks are at the lowest level and the process is at the highest level. The relationship between a process, activities, and tasks can be better understood with an example. Let us take one of the processes in a CRM software titled Update Customer Data. This process consists of activities such as collect customer data, validate customer data, enter customer data, and publish customer data. Each of these activities contains multiple tasks. Let us explore the tasks of the activity customer data collection. This particular activity contains tasks such as find customer email ID, draft an email, attach a customer data form, send the email, follow up on the email, and receive the completed customer data form. Please observe that the names of the process, activities, and tasks are all following a verb plus noun format.
To attain mastery in business analysis and progress in your career, please explore physics certificates and micro certificates in business analysis. The website link is available in the description below. For more details about our business analysis training, business analysis certifications, and business advisory services, please visit our website.